Most people think sponsorships are only for influencers with millions of followers. But here's the truth. In the USA right now, beginners with 0 followers are getting paid brand deals, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Brands in America are shifting. They want authenticity, not just polished influencers. Platforms like Aspire IQ, Impact, and FameBit are built to connect everyday people, students, parents, workers, directly with companies looking for relatable voices. Here's the secret sauce. Relatability beats follower count. Build a simple profile that highlights your lifestyle. Maybe you are a college student, a busy parent, or someone who loves fitness. US brands love that because it feels real, and real sells. When you pitch, don't focus on what you don't have. Instead of saying, "I have no audience," say, "I will share your product with my community, friends, family, coworkers." That's influence. And in the US market, it counts more than you think.